Alright, good day ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome here today to this video tutorial. This video tutorial was brought to you by Dewpoint Graphics and sponsored by Dewpoint Graphic Academy. Today we are going to be designing October month breast cancer awareness flyer. Alright, so kindly stay tuned to this video tutorial, and at the end of the day we shall all arrive at this amazing design. Please, if this is your first time coming across this our channel, kindly do to click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever we drop such amazing videos. Now when you need the resources to this particular design, check within the description below. There's a link that's going to lead you to a Telegram channel where we kept all the resources and also other resources you might need. Thank you very much. So without wasting more time, let's start from scratch. Right, so first of all is always to the first thing is always to choose your size. I mean the size that you're going to be using for your design. So we are going to be using Instagram post, which is a square, 1080 pixel by 1080 pixel. So that's what we are going to be using. So you click on it, then you wait for it to load. Now after it is downloading, our first thing is that we are going to work on shapes. Now first of all, the background is already in white color, so you see that the background color that we would have been using is white, but then already our default background color is white, so we are just cool to go. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on the elements. We are going to select a square. So you come to the element section. Now you check this. If you check here and then you are not seeing the square shape, make sure you click on the see all. So when you click on the see all, it will send you to all the shapes that we have. Then you can select the square shape. So you're going to select the square shape like this. Now after we select the square shape, the next thing is to change the color, because we are designing for breast cancer awareness, and then normally the default color that we use is always pink. So you click on the shape, then you click on color. So when you click on color, you scroll. Now you can see pink here. You see pink here. You can select this pink. But then if the pink is not too deep, or let's say you want it to be more deep, just click on this plus sign. After selecting a pink color, click on this plus sign. Now you see something like this. You can now hold this ball and drag it to anywhere at all you want. You see here, when you send the ball here, you see that the color becomes deep pink. You see that. So it depends on wherever you want the pink to be, then you select that. I hope you understand. Now let's continue. So after you get this color this way, so the first thing is to let's say we are going to place it here, and then you regulate the size like this. You see that, right? So that you place it here. You see how I placed it. So the next thing, we are going to add another shape. So you come and click on the elements again. Now this section, watch what I'm going to do. You see this particular shape, that's what we are going to use in the one with the curved it's a square but then curved. It has curved edges, you get that. So if just like I said, if you come here and then you can see, just click on see all. When you click on see all the shapes will be shown here, and then you can see it from this section. You see that, right? So that's what we are going to be using for this time. So you click on it, then you bring it here. Now the color that we are going to be using on it too should be pink, you get that. So if you check and then yours is not in pink, you just change the color to pink. And then I showed you how to change the color. Just click on the shape, and then you come and click on color, and then you select the pink color. Are we okay? So that is the first thing. Now so the next thing, we are going to import this particular resource. So you come to your camera roll, then we are going to select that particular resource here, and then you add to page. You get that? So this is the resource here, so you place it here. Make sure you place it well, right, like this. It's not bad. So that is for that too. So now the only thing that is left is for us to be working on text. Now there's this particular symbol I kept, awareness symbol I kept on top there. So that one is a resource. So let me just scroll up to here, then I bring in that particular one too. Right, so you can see that one to here. So that one I just kept it up here, then I reduce the size since it's having a white background. Then also we're also dealing with white background. I didn't bother to take off the background, so I think it's okay like that. So you just place it on top there. So the next thing is, let's add the text, breast cancer. So you add a heading, then you edit it, then write breast cancer, breast cancer. Right, make sure you write everything in bold, write it in capital letters or wherever. So you place it at the top here. So with this one, let's give it a font of Montserrat bold. So you come to font, check fonts, check down, you see fonts, then you scroll through, you see Montserrat, you see that. If you don't see it, you just search. So you click on Montserrat, it will take you to the various options we have. We have Montserrat bold, extra bold, and all that. So you can choose extra bold. You see that, Montserrat extra bold. Now when you are done, the next thing is change the color to pink. We want some color formation there, so you change the color to pink. You see that? So just the same color you use for the shapes. So you just change it to pink. So breast cancer awareness. So you click on text, you click on add a heading, then you edit it and write awareness, like this. So we are going to place that one here, but then we are going to give it a calligraphic font. So you go to your fonts and change the font to, let's use Ep05. So this particular font, you see that. So if you come and then you are not seeing it, use the search bar. You get that? Use this particular bar. You can see this one top here. Just type the name of that particular font they use. You get it. Ep05. Right. So that is it for that. So breast cancer awareness month. So the next thing is to add another text, add a heading, then you edit it and write month. You get that? Awareness month, all in black. The awareness and then the month, all I think they should go in black, is okay. Right, so we added another shape here. So you come to your elements and then you import this particular circle. Just import a circle like this, then you place the circle here, reduce the size of the circle, like this. Yeah, and then you can place it attached to the month like this. You see that? awareness month, something like this. It's not bad. Let me reduce the size. Alright, you can see that breast cancer awareness month. So the next thing is just to write any message at all you have for this particular month. Just write the message here, this section. So anything at all. So you add a subheading, then you edit, then you write October is a month to raise awareness of breast cancer. You can support. So you just write anything at all. It's not a must to write exactly what I'm writing. Yeah. By informing others. So I don't want to delay in this video tutorial, so I'm just going to keep this text like this. So that is it. So you reduce the size, then you place it on this particular place. Now you can see that this text is giving us a center alignment format. So you come to format. You see that format, then you give it center alignment. Sorry, left alignment rather. This section, you give it left alignment together. So then you change the color. Let's give it a white color. That one will blend well. You see that. So that is it for this. So the text, you can write anything at all you want to write there. Are we okay? Right. So the next thing we are going to be doing, what I did was, so you see the awareness. Just click on the awareness. Then you click on copy. Then you bring it down here. Then edit it and write. It's not a must to put this thing. I just decided to put it there. Massage a boob to save life. If you go and massage anybody's boob anyhow, they'll beat you. Yeah, so it's just something I decided to write. Does not mean you should go ahead doing it. Right, so let's continue from that. So from this one, you can just reduce the size. You can just reduce the size and then you place it down here. Change the color to pink. You change the color to pink. That was what I did. And then the next thing is to add the design. I mean, who designed it. So you can just add your name at this section. So you just write designed by. So you bring that text down here, reduce the size, place it here. So that's so you change the color to white. Then you can now add your name below it. You see that? Just add your name. So subheading, dew point graphics. You see that? The reason why I said you should add your name to it is that you see this particular designs, they normally travel far, as in, because it's a month where we are sending awareness to our ladies out there. So people that see this design, mostly they try reposting it, so they can repost it to the extent that your brand name gets into a particular place where you can get a lot of you can get some deals, or maybe some business deals and all that. So sometimes some people add their brand name, then their contacts. You see that? Yeah. So that is it for this particular design. Yeah. So when you are done, as usual, this is where you are going to click, and then you save your design. So that is it for this particular video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly do well to click on the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop such amazing videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.